Alright, I noticed that there's a little clip right here. I'm going to pop it all the way off. That should allow me to pull this arm off. There might be another one down in here. I'm having trouble getting a look at it, but this will be the last piece connecting that. Alright, that was it. This clip here was on top of, not this bar, but the one underneath it. It's hard to get a good view. Pulled it out with some nail nose, and then look, the bar lifts out. Same thing on this other one, which I didn't actually need to do maybe, but this is detached. I'm trying to figure out how the heck to get it out of the way, because I wouldn't want to break it. Oh, look at that. I can lift it completely out of the way now. Looks like I could unscrew it from down there if I wanted to. I wonder if you can just pop these things off. I don't know. I don't want to break it. I don't want to break it until I figure out if I can just buy new ones or not. But, I mean, that's out of the way anyway. I just have to put it on the firewall.